Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am ratchetly ratchet. Ugh, I have no makeup on, as you can see. My hair is shot out. Anyway, the purpose of this video is a huge unboxing of your girl's a new bag, and I should have dressed for the occasion, but no. First, I was a huge Michael Kors person. Then when everybody and their mama started carrying Michael Kors, I'm like, I'm not gonna be carrying around a bag that everybody in the entire nation is carrying around. Like, it was okay at first because I loved Michael Kors, but then everybody and their mama was carrying around Michael Kors, and then they were carrying around trunk Michael Kors bags, which, if you don't know what a trunk purse is, it's the ones that you buy out of a trunk of a car from people from New York or whatever that are basically fake. They're fake Kors bags. So, I mean, I'm not knocking anybody who's carrying around a trunk bag. It's on you. Me personally, I'm not gonna carry around a trunk bag. Carry around fake Michael Kors bags that don't even exist in the Michael Kors line. And I'm a very big like handbag guru type person, so it really like irked the hell out of me. It still does every time I see someone carrying around a Michael Kors bag that's like this off the wall color and off the wall shape and style that, you know, Kors doesn't even sell. So I'm like, I am completely getting away from freaking Michael Kors. It's overrated. It's completely over with. It's just, I mean, that's like so 2014. If you still use your Kors bags, that's on you. I'm not knocking you. Everybody loves what they love. My preference, I like to change up every year or so, just because I like to get different bags. So, and then I went to Kate Spade, and I had my Kate Spade for a year and a half, and then I was like, so it's time for me to get a new bag. I was torn between the MCM bag and Dooney and Bourke, so I actually went with Dooney and Bourke this time. So that's what I ordered, and that's what I'm about to show you guys. So I have not looked into this box yet. It literally just came like 5 minutes ago. So I'm hoping and praying this is the size that I wanted, because I like to carry big bags because I carry big stuff and a lot of crap. So let's open this together. And I was going to carry or get a brown bag, but I always carry black bags because 99.9% of my clothes are black. So I was gonna like actually venture out to get a brown bag this time. Couldn't do it. One of the new bags from the new collection. Perfect. This is actually the new Shannon Tote in black. And then of course I'm petty and I had to get the accessories with it. So I'm going to show you. Let me sit back. You'll have to excuse my creaking chair. It is a big bag. It's great. Stick top. Just all the Dooney paper, and then the handles, new to Dooney. Let me move back some more. The inside is like this marigold color of the straps. And we've got more paper, and more paper, and more paper, and we have a Dooney Bourke dust bag. And a whole bunch of silica that has to go in the trash immediately because I have cats and I don't want them to croak, you know. And more paper and more paper. Finally I reached the bottom. So leathery, I can't even explain to you guys. So the inside is like this. It is all leather goodness on the inside. My camera would focus. It's great. Just have that pocket in there with some zips here. A big pocket there. It's got its feet. A Dooney and Bourke design here. Here, this is the new design. So what it does, in order to close, goes to the side and it just hooks. And that's how it closes. And it's really, I don't even know. Wallet that goes with the bag here's the front, and it has a room, your IDs, your money, and it has the red on the inside, your ID, your checkbook if you carry checks, and it has the zipper here on the back with thread on side. The leather is just so soft and it's greatness. Here it is. Clear plastic-ish kind of Dooney makeup bag. There, not much to show, but it's clear. So this is what it looks like here. Oh my god. So I actually ordered this Thursday and today is Friday. So I had it pretty much overnighted. Now, while I'm opening this keychain, let me ask you guys, what is the deal with the shipping services? Because this bag literally came from freaking Canada and got here to Charlotte, North Carolina the next day. I don't know how I did it, but I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm hurrying up before my door dasher starts banging on the door. But, so it is like a key, or it is a key. And it has a little separate key here. My camera will focus. And then it has the hook. It has the hook. It's like this. And it is, this part is like heavy. Like you could literally bang somebody in the head with this if they mess with you. Like I'm not condoning violence, but I'm just saying. So this is the keychain. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of like jacked up. Sorry I'm looking jacked up, but I wanted to do this video really quick because I have a lot of stuff that's going on here today in my house. And yeah, so stay tuned because as of next week, your girl's going to be in front of her new backdrop. It's being made and it has lights and yeah. So more professional videos are coming. Your girl got a whole bunch of new camera gear and stuff and a diva light and soft boxes, blah, blah, blah. So my channel is about to kick it up several notches. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget down in the description box, there is a giveaway going on. So make sure you click on the link to enter the giveaway. You do have to be a subscriber of my channel. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As always, guys, stay blessed, stay warm, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.